we're looking forward to it. We actually did really well in the casino last time we were here, so we're hoping maybe that will translate again. You never know, but they have a ton of restaurants, and so we're looking forward to checking it out. And we will show you our room when we get there, and hopefully we have a really good trip and can share some fun things with you. Thanks for watching, you guys.
Thanks.
Hey you guys, we just got checked in here at the Conrad at Resorts World, and we're making our way down the hallway to the room. Check in from you there. Well, first impressions, guys, it looks really clean and modern. Double sinks, love that in the bathroom. Huge shower, very nice shower. Really nice, huge mirror. A door to the commode, separate area there. And let's see, good sized mirror there. And to the left here, we have a refrigerator, which is nice, and some snacks and such. The beds look new, the bedding looks comfy. Huge TV. For a wall-mounted TV, I would say that is pretty big as far as TVs go. Some dresser area. There is a safe in the drawer too. Here's a couple chairs and table. Check out our view. We're on the 58th floor, you guys. Beautiful view. It's a beautiful day. We really lucked out here in Vegas. Fantastic weather. You know, this property used to be the Stardust, so it's kind of cool they have this here in kind of the main area of Resorts World. And this globe is so cool. Every time we walk by it, it changes, and I just think it's really neat. Very high tech. This whole property is extremely high tech. It's been very cool here at Resorts World. The food selection is huge. They have so many restaurants, and the food hall has a bunch of places. We tried that out. We had brunch at the kitchen. They have a breakfast buffet. We really enjoyed it. Check out our review on that, as well as the review on the food hall. Gambling, the casino is beautiful. The machines all work nicely. All the employees are incredibly friendly and attentive. So overall, we really enjoyed our stay at Resorts World, and we definitely come back and stay again if they offer us a room. We enjoyed being on a different part of town too. We were able to walk to the Stratosphere and Sahara, and just a whole different vibe than staying on the main part of the Strip, as well as we've stayed downtown, which is a different experience as well. So thanks for watching, you guys. If you end up staying at Resorts World, let us know what you think.